as well.
Sir, this side, sir. Hey.
Okay, sir. We will
of the true colors and flavors of Bali Yatra. Thus, the pride and glory of Bali Yatra. Commemorating the glorious maritime history of Odisha and ancient trading links in Bali, Indonesia, and celebrating a continued similarity of tradition and culture in the two distant shores. Bali Yatra, meaning Voyage to Bali, is a traditional festival that is religiously celebrated in Odisha, India, to commemorate a glorious maritime history and ancient trading links in Bali, Indonesia. The annual festival is celebrated on the full moon eve of Kartik Purnima, a day that is dedicated to the god of courage and valor. And the festivities start in the wee hours of the auspicious morning, with women folk congregating in great numbers on the banks of the Mahanadi for Boito Bandana, a riverside ritual of setting afloat boitos, myriad little boats with lamps flickering in the dark waters, throwing light on a good old bonding with a faraway land across the great seas. Rekindling the spirit of adventure and enterprise, and symbolically opening a carnival of commerce and culture. A week-long fair that attracts huge.
We look forward to further development of this relationship, very important between India, Southeast Asia, especially with Indonesia. We look forward to building the tourism sector, the trade investment sector, educational sector between state of Odisha and Indonesia. We must not forget the past, and we build on the past for a better and stronger future. So I'd like to congratulate again Indica Resources, in particularly my good friend Sudip Sen for organizing this. I'd like to thank in particular His Excellency the Minister, the Secretary for their continued support for this event. And on our part, you can
His Excellency the Ambassador of Indonesia to India is also a part of the celebration and will be there at Bali Yatra tomorrow. Resource Indica has organized similar exhibitions at several other places in the country, including Calcutta, New Delhi, etc. And we thought that it was befitting to have it in Bhubaneswar alongside the Bali Yatra event, and therefore, so the idea is to showcase the influence of Odisha on Southeast Asian countries, particularly Indonesia, Vietnam, Cambodia, and the exhibition displays pictures of textiles, of architecture, which shows the commonality and the strong links and bonds that existed between our state and the Southeast Asian nations. So, without any further ado, I would welcome all of you to this exhibition, and I'm sure you will enjoy and appreciate the items that have been displayed in the exhibition. Thank you so much.
ଟୁରିଜିମ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟଟନ ବିଭାଗ ତରଫରୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରୋତ୍ସାହନ ରାଶି ମଧ୍ୟ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଭାରତ ଇଣ୍ଡୋନେସିଆ ଏବଂ ସାଉଥ୍ ଏସିଆ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଆମର ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ ଇନକ୍ରିଜ୍ ଏବଂ ଟୁରିଜିମ୍ ଇନକ୍ରିଜ୍ ଉପରେ ଆର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।